Hey guys, I'm going to show you how exactly to change your Mac cursor to a custom icon. It's actually really easy, so let's get into it. First, open your browser. So I'll be using Google Chrome. Then, we'll open this link from GitHub, which will be in the description below. Or you can type this in your browser as well. Next, you'll need to scroll down to the bottom until you see this part of the website. Click the Releases section. Now, once you're here, go to Assets and click on the first zip file. Once you click it, check your downloads depending on which browser you use. Since I use Google Chrome, it will be here on the top right. You will click the downloaded Mousescape file. Once the file pops up in your downloads, click it. Then, if your Mac blocks it, this pop-up will show. Now, don't worry. Just head to your system settings, then scroll down to Privacy and Security. Once you click it, scroll down to the bottom until you see this below Security. When you see Mousescape was blocked to protect your Mac, click on the Open Anyway beside it. Then, this pop-up will show, and press Open Anyway. It will then ask for your password or Touch ID. Once you put it in, Mousescape will finally open. Once we're done downloading Mousescape, let's move on to downloading the custom cursors from this online cursor library. You can also access this link in the description below, or type it in your browser. Once you open the cursor library, type the cursor you want to use. There's plenty of cursors to choose from, but today I'll use a baguette cursor. So type down the cursor you want, then click on the preferred image you like for your cursor. So I'll pick this one. Then, go to the image and right-click. Press Save Image As. Then you can type down the name of the cursor if you want to. Now make sure to save it to desktop so that you can easily drag this later. Once you have your image downloaded, you can close your browser and open Mousescapes again. Now, click on it, then head to the top left bar. Press File, then New Cape. Then once it creates a new cape, right-click, then press Edit. Click on this plus sign below. Press Unknown. Then, set the type to arrow. And drag the image you downloaded into that 1x box. To make sure it clicks on the right spot, you need to set the hotspot coordinates. Usually, you can set it to 8 and 8, but you can adjust these numbers so that the red dot hits the cross. So, since mine doesn't, I adjusted mine and made my coordinates 8 and 12. Now, once you're done, you can save this. And right-click your new cape and hit Apply. And that's it. Your new cursor is ready to go. If you want to switch back, just hit Command plus R at the same time. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more quick Mac tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.